Thank you for choosing the 3-wheel electric service vehicle from Cushman. This vehicle has been designed to operate in a warehouse or factory environment with semi-smooth floors, roads, and ramps. Although the vehicle has been designed to provide safe and reliable operation, maintaining good performance depends to a large extent on the operator. Today we're going to help you understand the vehicle, its equipment, and how to use it safely. Let's get started. Before initial use, the batteries must be fully charged. Connect the charger cord to an outlet that has been properly installed and grounded. The power AC cord is equipped with a grounded plug. This vehicle is equipped with an onboard charger that is wired directly to the batteries, only requiring it to be plugged into a dedicated 15-amp AC outlet to be operational. When charge cycle is complete, replace cord in appropriate area under the seat. Warning: hydrogen gas is generated as a natural part of the lead-acid battery charging process. A 4% concentration of hydrogen gas is explosive and could cause severe injury or death. Never smoke around or charge batteries in an area that has an open flame or electrical equipment that could cause an electrical arc. The controls, meters, and switches consist of a key switch, direction selector switch, power on battery condition meter, headlight, service parking brake pedal, speed control pedal, horn, seat switch, and an hour meter. Make sure you are properly seated in the operator's seat. Make sure the direction selector switch is in the neutral position. Apply the parking brake, if it isn't already applied, by depressing the front portion of the service parking brake pedal. Insert the key in the key switch and turn it to the on position. Move the direction selector switch to the desired direction. When the direction selector is in the reverse position, a warning signal will sound. This is a device to indicate the vehicle is ready to run in reverse. Releasing the accelerator slows the vehicle. To stop the vehicle more quickly, depress the brake pedal. To avoid component damage, the vehicle must be brought to a complete stop before shifting the direction selector switch. On steep hills and ramps, it is possible for vehicles to coast at faster than normal speeds that may be encountered on a flat surface. To prevent loss of vehicle control, speed should be limited to no more than the maximum speed on level ground. Travel directly up or down inclines. Do not travel across the face of any incline, ramp, grade, or slope. Use the service brake to control speed when traveling down an incline. The recommended ramp grade and side tilt is 25% or 14 degrees maximum. A sudden stop or change of direction can result in loss of control. The vehicle has a turning clearance of 154 inches and an intersecting aisle clearance of 54 inches. Keep your body inside the vehicle. Passengers must be seated and use handholds provided. Avoid sudden starts and stops to avoid unseating of passengers. Adjust your speed to conditions. Avoid extremely rough terrain. Cargo must be secured to the platform. Never overload the vehicle. See the identification decal on the kick panel for rated capacity. Position loads carefully so they cannot shift or tip over suddenly. Distribute loads evenly over the rear area. Keep loads low to avoid top heaviness. Sudden sharp turns will cause unbalanced or top-heavy loads to become upset. Before leaving the vehicle, set direction selector to the neutral position. Turn the key to vertical off position and remove. Apply hand or foot brake not automatically applied. If a malfunction occurs or adjustment is needed, do not use. Have all work performed by authorized personnel. It is your responsibility to keep all labels or decals and instructional literature legible and intact. Replacement labels or decals and literature are available from the factory. Safety components. The vehicle electrical circuit includes two protective components, a seat switch and a thermal circuit breaker. Removing body weight from the vehicle seat will cause the seat switch to interrupt electrical power to the controller. You must remain seated during vehicle operation. The thermal circuit breaker prevents overloading of the drive motor. Should the vehicle be stopped by the opening of the circuit breaker, turn the vehicle off to avoid an accidental start when the breaker resets. The breaker automatically resets after approximately 20 seconds. An audible click will sound when the breaker resets. If the circuit breaker continues to open, a problem exists within the circuit or the vehicle is overloaded. Do not operate the vehicle until the problem is resolved. Many vehicles are used for a variety of tasks beyond the original intended use of the vehicle. Therefore, it is impossible to anticipate and warn against every possible combination of circumstances that may occur. No warnings can take the place of good common sense and prudent driving practices. Good common sense and prudent driving practices do more to prevent accidents and injury than all of the warnings and instructions combined. The manufacturer strongly suggests that the owner-operator read this entire manual, paying particular attention to the cautions and warnings contained therein. It is further recommended that employees and other operators be encouraged to do the same.